Today is the day. The day that is probably one of, if not the biggest step in your life. The day I leave a huge chapter in life behind and start a new one. The day I'm moving out. So after a year in one of the biggest megacities in the world, life in a small quiet town where even if you wanted to, there was nothing you could do, really wasn't for me no more. So I decided to go back to the big city life. I will always keep a special place in my heart for my hometown, where I grew up. But I realized that if I wanted to go after my dreams, this was my only opportunity. So today is moving day. I've lived here for 20 years and now I feel like I need to pack up my whole life and move it elsewhere. When moving to a new place, it's always a challenge. Like, how do I know which supermarket to go to, what foods to buy, how much of these foods to buy, not even talking about cooking them. And that's just a few of the million questions in my head right now, but I guess we're gonna go find out now. After unpacking most of our stuff yesterday, we realized we would need some more stuff, so let's go to IKEA. And then it was time to assemble the furniture. I don't know what it is about IKEA shelves. They are always really lightweight, easy and fast to put up and simple. But somehow at the end you are actually proud for building this thing all by yourself. You feel like you've achieved something, when in reality you just plucked a few pieces of wood together.
Another exciting thing about moving somewhere new is that I don't even know the area around me. I have no idea whether around the corner there will be a park, a highway or Hogwarts. I have literally no idea, but I guess we're gonna go find out now. There are still a few small things that need to be done around here, so with some help we're gonna get the last touches done today.
It's so comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.